Hey guys, it's Najam, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Thrustmaster T80 steering wheel with your PC. Okay, so step one is to have the steering wheel set up, where you're going to use it, and make sure you switch it to PS4 mode, because PS3 mode doesn't work really well with the PC, and it's meant to be used with PS4 mode. Now also, once you've got it set up, don't plug it in, because first you need to install the drivers, and I'll just show you where to get them. So go on to Google. In this case I just use Go and write Thrustmaster T80. Now you need to go onto the website called thrustmaster.com, and this is Sony's website. I'll just go ahead and turn the dark mode off. So from here you click on support, and then download, and then from here you write T80. So you just need to find the wheel, and that's this one here, right? And then this is gonna show you the drivers over here. So you click this button, and then you install this one here. So we're just gonna click download, and we're gonna save that. Alright, and then I'll just go and separate that into a different folder to show you it. Okay, so this is what you get now. So I've already got it installed, but I'll just go ahead and show you how to do it right now. You click yes, and you just click next from here, and it should actually do that. But I think yeah, I've already got it installed. I'll just click repair. But when you're doing it first time, you just click next, and it should install it. So I'll just skip this bit. Okay, so that's finished. What you need to do now is just reboot your PC. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right now. So once you've rebooted your PC, now it's time to actually plug the Thrustmaster T80 into your PC, and we'll get it configured. So, and you'll only have to do this once. So the next time you plug in or you want to play, just plug in the steering wheel and just start playing the games. Now make sure you have the pedals plugged in, because they're part of the whole package. Now I'm just going to go ahead and plug this into the PC. Okay, so the LED on the T80 is on red, and in the PS4 mode you can't really change the color of it, because it's that's the only sensitivity that it uses. I've read the manual, and that's what it says. I was actually trying to mess about with it. Anyways, you go on to control panel, and it should pop up over here. So here is the T80. Okay, so I've just run into one problem. This is just with my keyboard, and what I've done is just disabled it. So what you need to do is click on advanced, and then make sure this is the default USB device. Anyways, I'll enable that once I'm finished with this video, because that's what I normally use. If you click on properties, it's going to show you the Thrustmaster T80 properties. It was showing the Wooting 1 properties, and it detects it as a controller. That's just my keyboard. Anyways, once you've got it plugged in, I've rebooted my PC and everything. This is where it should pop up, and if you press any of the buttons, it actually lights them up over there. That's just to check if the buttons are working, up, down, left, right. And then you've also got the steering wheel left and right, and you can calibrate this. I'm just turning it around, and that seems to be working. And then you also got the gas and then the brake button. There we go. So you can go ahead and calibrate them, and this is just gonna run you through a quick calibration test. We're just gonna move it from left to right. Let's go ahead and do that. So we move it all the way down to the left side, and then it's gonna pull all the way down to the right side, and then it should go in the middle. So it's detected that that's the middle if you leave it. So it's calibrated the left and right steering. That's good. Do the right side. So that's next. That's good. You go next. Verify the center point. Yes. Now it's time for the gas. So you press down on the gas until it goes to all the way down, because it just needs to realize just how much there is travel. So anyways, next is the is that it? Hang on, I think I missed some out. Oh right, that's the brake as well over here. It actually does this in one. Okay, we'll have to do that as well. Go ahead and press the brake. right? So there we go. Now it's functioning the brake as well, all the way up, medium. Yeah, it's really good control over it. Anyways, that one's done. Next, now we need to do the gas. Okay, finished. Now you click apply. That's done. Now what you can do is go into a game that you want to play. Okay, so when you go into a game, normally it's not, usually it's not mapped. So what you have to do is go into options, controls, and then you have to map them here, which I've got it mapped to the booting one. So I'm just gonna map this to the wheel. There we go, steering wheel. Brake is brake, and then left. And then right. That's all I'm gonna do right now. Okay, let's go ahead and test it out. So alright, it seems to be working, but I'm having a bit of problem with the pedals, and that's what I think about this. It's pretty much the conclusion of this steering wheel. It's not made for the PC, even though you know, it does work with the PC. I don't unfortunately recommend it because it's a bit iffy and everything. So as you can see, driving is perfectly fine. I got good control over the steering. I'm not the best driver, but it kind of gives you the whole idea of how it works. It will work with every game, except the only problem with this is, is that it just doesn't work as well as something like an Xbox One controller or Xbox 360 controller would. And I mean, I don't know what it is. With the truck simulator games, the pedals don't really work properly because it's always at max. That's freaking annoying, and it basically makes it unusable for that. But if you have this wheel and you want to use it, then you know, obviously you can't. It does work, there's no denying that, but it's not exactly the best way of playing games on the PC with the wheel. If you want to play games on the PC with the wheel, get a wheel that's made for the PC, like the something like the Logitech G29, which is expensive. I'll agree with that. Right now I'm not using the pedals because they're just not working, and I did have them plugged in, and it worked in the calibration stuff as well, but it's just not picking it up. It's just not working. Maybe if I try now, it'll probably work. Yes, go give that a shot now. Oh, I think it's the brake. Yes, just like with the, yeah, just like with the other one, I think the acceleration might work. The acceleration does work, but it's the brake. It's always on max, and I mean, yeah, that one doesn't work. So I don't know, there's something a bit weird with this thing. There's full work on it. It does work, but again, it's not perfect. So anyways, that's pretty much how you set it up. Personally, I don't really use this wheel anymore because I've just got this keyboard which I use now. It's analog. Anyways, yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll probably see you again in another video.